Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by holding the controller still and look at the in-game input display. Hold still for about 15 seconds to see any persistent offset. Record whether the cursor slowly drifts or jumps intermittently during those 15 seconds. Next, test the same controller in a different game or device to isolate the issue. If drift appears everywhere, it likely means hardware wear or dirt inside the stick assembly. If drift only appears in one game, check software calibration and settings first. Before opening the controller, update controller firmware and the Gym Class VR app. Firmware updates often fix sensor mapping and reduce unwanted offsets. Next, use the console or PC calibration tool and increase the dead zone to approximately 10%. Set dead zone gradually and test for responsiveness versus stability after each change. If drift persists, reset controller settings to factory defaults and reinstall the game to remove corrupted input profiles. Test again to determine whether software changes eliminated the drift. If software fixes fail, power off and remove batteries before opening the controller. Carefully open the shell using the correct screwdriver and keep screws organized by size. Use compressed air and a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean dust and grime from the stick boot and pot. Reassemble and test. If drift remains, replace the analog stick module with a compatible part. After replacement, recalibrate and retest. If problems continue, seek professional repair or replace the controller to restore reliable play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.